VACC MotorTech's second quarterly update for 2025 is here, bringing more coverage, more features, and more ways to support modern workshops.
This edition of Tech Tips proudly brought to you by the Our Auto Series 3 Premium Diagnostic Tool, the essential MotorTech companion.
New models have been added across light and commercial vehicles, with thousands of updates rolled out across repair methods, diagnostic procedures, and wiring diagrams. ADAS coverage continues to grow with expanded support for calibration and repair. Other highlights include improved coverage for servicing electronic parking brakes, start-stop systems, as well as the addition of over 1,000 new wiring diagrams and much more. Haynes Pro has been boosted with hundreds of new and updated technical bulletins, smart cases, and manufacturer recalls, giving you even more insights when diagnosing tricky faults. MotorTech now offers even more flexibility, with new product bundles available for commercials and motorcycles, with high-voltage vehicles coming shortly. These options let you build a solution that fits your exact workshop needs. And for our commercial subscribers, great news with Hino models now live, along with Reg lookup functionality, helping you find the right data faster than ever. To find out more or upgrade your subscription, visit motortech.com.au or call 03 9829 1268.